Om Namah Shivaya, Shivamrit IIT Baba, USA. Why corporate worker should practice Shiva Shakti, senses, synchronization, faith, dhyan, yoga? The reason is very simple, folks. If you calculate per hour cost of your employee, it will be more than minimum $1,000 if we take a good company, on average company which is making the good money. Now think of that. If you have a drop in efficiency of 20%, then you are losing $200 an hour. And even if you don't want to agree on $1,000 per hour, say $100 per hour, your all employee growth, which is very low because the money type of you make, including you. Bottom line is, if employee is in stress, employee is in anxiety, excitement, if they cannot concentrate, focus, they cannot perform well. Harvard, MIT, all the research data, psychology, Rutgers, US Davis, this university can claim. You can go and look what the big companies or fortune companies, why they have meditation and other wellness program. The benefit for you bringing this Shiva Shakti, senses, synchronization, dhyan yoga is that once you have a faith, you have no failure but future. Remember, Shiva faith is the path to future, not for failure. And on top of that, if we add this meditation, which is the source of natural serotonin, dopamine, GBHA and other chemicals which are mood enhancer, mood controller, reward. So employee will be always energetic. First thing they want to do is to come to work because they know they are going to get a nectar of this meditation at work. So these are the few reasons why you should incorporate during lunch break. If you do once a week, that is fair enough to start, and you can see how the productivity will go high.